Hello guys, good day, it's your boy Komodo Bill. Welcome to another episode of Komodo Modify. So for today's video episode, we'll be installing 6D carbon fiber sticker wrap to our motorcycle fairings, Raider 150 Fi. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and make sure to click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified to all of the videos that we'll be uploading in the next few weeks, or if you are interested with this kind of content. Okay, so let's get started. So what are the things that we need? The first one would be a scissor, heat gun. You're gonna be needing your cutter as well, your squeegee, and of course, make sure to clean up the item that you'll be wrapping with carbon fiber sticker. So make sure to complete or finish this video. That way you'll be guided through on how to do it yourself, because this will definitely save you a lot of money instead of you going to a motor shop requesting for a carbon fiber sticker wrap instead. So the steps are pretty much easy. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Enjoy! Sticker wrapping is not that hard at all, to be honest with you guys. You can actually do it yourself for as long as you have the right tool to do the job. I think the hardest part that you'll be experiencing here is that if there's a lot of edges with the item that you're about to wrap, you would definitely need to exert a lot of effort doing the heating, because the heat gun will be used mostly when you are wrapping some corners of the item itself. So as you can see on the video that I've been doing, it really took us a lot of time wrapping the front fender of my motorcycle, because there's a lot of curves and a lot of corners that needs to be heated. Although carbon fiber is a great material, or a vinyl sticker if I should say, it's really a good material for wrapping, because it actually expands if you apply amount of heat into it. But make sure not to burn the vinyl sticker itself, not too hot. I would say give it a little bit of a distance if you are applying the heat into the sticker wrap itself. Alright, so here we go guys. I'm done installing, or we're done installing all of the vinyl carbon fiber sticker on my pairings, motorcycle pairings. Look how elegant that is. So I've decided to save this part of the fender sticker because it's quite elegant, so I've decided to save it and put it right here. So this is the front fender. And it really took us a long time, or a lot of time, putting in the 3D sticker on this one, because there's really a lot of curves. You really need to put in a lot of effort, a lot of heating right there. So yeah, this is the result. And yeah, this is the side panel cover. Side panel. See, it's perfect. No bubbles right there. Perfect. Alright, this is the other one, the other side. So later on I'll have this installed to my motorcycle, and then yeah, I'll I'll show you guys the results. Peace out. So that's the result of our sticker wrapping for today. I really appreciate the result of what we've done with my Raider 150 Fi. I would say I'm really happy with the result. For as you can see, the sticker wrap or the vinyl sticker really fits perfectly into the motorcycle pairings itself. So I definitely recommend this sticker wrap, 6D carbon fiber. You can buy this carbon fiber sticker online. You can either go to Shopee, Lazada, or either search in Google. You can try to type in 6D carbon fiber sticker. You can also buy this on Marketplace, Facebook. Just make sure to search 6D carbon fiber. We actually bought this item for around 500, and I already forgot how the diameter or the size of it. But yeah, I would say that's it for me for today's vlog. So again, thank you so much for watching this video episode again. Again, if you like this video, please consider subscribing for new videos that we'll be uploading for the next few weeks. Okay? Alright, so again, it's your boy, Kamoto Bill. Again, stay safe. Peace out.
Yeah.